What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. A couple days ago I asked you guys on Instagram what type of video you wanted to see next. I did a poll asking if you either wanted to see a drawer organizing video or a recipe, and you guys chose a recipe. So today I'm going to be making the most delicious chicken pesto pasta, and it is, I promise you, the best you're ever going to have. And I know I say that in like all my videos, but I promise it really is so good. And we are going to be needing a bunch of fresh basil for the most amazing pesto you're gonna see. Come on. The first thing you're going to want to do is marinate your chicken. So all I did was cut up some chicken breast and I put them into this Ziploc bag, so it makes it so easy to marinate. And then I just added in some white wine, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and that's pretty much it. Next, we're going to get started with our pesto. Make sure that you wash all of your basil and you get all the leaves off of the stems. And we're just going to pack it into our, forgot what that's even called. What is it? Anyway, add in your 4 cloves of garlic and some Romano cheese. And I'm just going to use this cheese grater over there. It's really good. I highly recommend you guys get it. I'm pretty sure I got it at Marshall's for like $5. And I'm just going to grate some cheese. Love me some Romano cheese. And now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and then we are also going to drizzle in some olive oil, and then we're going to just grind that all up. Alright, so this should be what your pesto looks like, nice and creamy. Once your water starts boiling, just like this, you're going to want to add your Pappardelle pasta. This is the one I got. I got it at King's, but I'm sure you could probably find it at Whole Foods. This is what it looks like. Delicious, delicious. Sometimes this pasta actually comes in little nests too. Nests of pasta, I was about to say balls of pasta. Nests, balls. Same thing. And I'm just pushing it down just because I don't want the flames to burn the ends of my pasta. 4 to 5 minutes. By the way, guys, those are the pine nuts that I used. I found them at Whole Foods and they're really good. So in this step, you're just going to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of your pan, and you're just going to throw your chicken in there and just start swirling it around and cooking it up until golden brown. So your chicken should look like that. Nice golden brown, cooked all the way through. Perfection. So yeah, then once you're done with that, you are going to set it aside in a bowl because we are going to be using this pan to make our creamy pesto sauce using the pesto that I showed you how to make early on in this video. Alright guys, this is the home stretch. Don't let me down. We are making the creamy pesto sauce now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is smack on some pesto. I would say about 1/3 cup. And then you're going to just throw in about 3 tablespoons of butter. And you are just going to let them mingle around, swirl around the pan, meet each other, you know, to become one sort of thing. That's what we want. Now that the butter and the pesto are married to each other, we are going to add in some heavy cream. I would say about 1/2 pint. And you're just going to mix that around, you know, introduce everybody to each other. And you're going to let that simmer until it becomes thicker. So this is exactly what you want your sauce to look like. You should be able to make little lines like that in the pan. And now we are going to add in our pasta. Mine kind of just looks like a little glop because I left it in there for a little while. But just mix it around. If yours looks like that, don't worry, because it's all gonna look beautiful very soon. Now we're gonna add in our chicken and we're going to mix it around. And also, if you feel like you want it to be a little bit more creamy, you could totally go and add in a little more heavy cream if you want. All right, guys, so it's all done. I don't know if you could see. Hold on. Ooh, there goes my chicken. Oh my gosh. This is honestly one of my favorite pasta dishes. So good. You guys are going to love it. Everything about this dish right now is perfect. And this pasta, this brand, I'm gonna get the box, hold on. This brand is so worth it. It was pretty expensive. I think it was like $7.99 for just this box, but it is so worth it. The pasta is like paper thin, but in a good way. And it's not like chewy or anything. It is just like heavenly, heavenly, heavenly Pappardelle pasta. I'm just like so obsessed with this. My goodness. You guys don't even know. Don't even know how good. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and definitely let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe out. I guarantee you it is so easy and you are going to love it. You're gonna love it. Trust me. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and follow me on Instagram too so you could be updated all the time with all things Simply Anna Christina. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.